Video for rotary using 1. Preparations, rotary, CNC laser machine, computer. 2. Fix the material in the rotary, and connect laser machine with computer. 3. Press the button to move the laser head backwards. 4. Put the rotary on the machine table. 5. Press the Z button to lower the table to a proper height. 6. Plug the rotary cable in the signal port and lock it. 7. Press the direction buttons to move the laser head to be right above the rotary. 8. Turn the switch to port 2. 9. Draw in laser software. 10. Adjust the laser focal length. 11. Press origin to locate the laser head. 12. Press the start pause to cut. 13. After cutting, move the laser head aside. 14. Measure the actual cutting size with a tip line. 15. If the actual size and file size are different, change the vendor settings. 16. Go to vendor settings. Save the original parameters. Then change to rotary parameter. (17) Fill the file size and actual cutting size to Y step length. (18) If sizes are the same, go next. 19. Import file to laser software and download file to machine. 20. Press origin to locate the laser head. 21. Press start pause to engrave. 22. This is the using of roatry.